In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious cookies and cream fudge recipe. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 12 ounces of white chocolate chip, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, and half a box of chocolate sandwich cookies. In a bowl, we're going to start by combining the sweetened condensed milk, and the white chocolate chips. We're going to place our chocolate sandwich cookies in a Ziploc bag and crush them into small pieces. We're going to pour our crushed sandwich cookies out into a bowl and set it aside for later. We're going to microwave this mixture in 20-second increments 4 times. Once out of the microwave, we're going to add in our chocolate sandwich cookies that we crushed earlier. Once completely mixed and evenly distributed, we're going to pour this mixture into a parchment paper lined baking pan. We're going to place our fudge in the fridge overnight to harden. Our cookies and cream fudge are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.